Hey guys, it's Mark.
Alana Guste.
And we are here to invite you to be part of our next workshop coming up on Saturday, April 18. It's called Building a Rite of Passage for Your Son. It's going to be fantastic, and we want you to be there.
It's important for us as dads to have a place where we can work through and struggle through what it means to become a man and build a rite of passage for our sons. It's also important for our sons to have buy-in, and so they need to be there as well.
The workshop again is on Saturday, April 18. We're going to be starting at 1 o'clock. I'm going to be working mostly with the dads. Alana's going to be working with the boys. It's going to be a fantastic experience. You are going to come out of there with a template, a process that you can follow that will take your boy from boyhood to manhood. It's going to be incredible. Go out to thenextmanup.com/events to find all the information. Get yourself registered. Get a ticket today for you. And if your son's between 12 and 16, get a ticket for him too. We want you to be there. We'll see you there on the 18th.